Hello. Our capsim strategy in a nutshell was to keep performance and size where the customers wanted to see it, right around that ideal spot, but as well try and keep that age where they would like it as well. So sometimes we had to leave the product where it was at until the next year, or make a small adjustment in order to change the age of the product. For marketing, we wanted to make sure as many customers could see the product as possible and it was accessible as much as possible, so we tried to get those as high as we could. Price, we also wanted to keep where customers wanted it and lower it as much as we could without losing too much profit. Our forecast we kept at a pretty low number in order to not overestimate what our profits would be. For production, we didn't want to create too much extra, but based on our prediction, we would go a little bit higher than what we expected to sell, just so that we didn't sell out as much as possible. We really wanted our automation high so that more customers, or so that our cost was lessened, so that most of the work was done by machines. We kept our capacity fairly low, because we figured we could utilize the overtime when necessary. For finance, we took out the long-term loan quite a bit. Towards the end of the rounds, we started rebuying stock and issuing dividends. And then lastly, for TQM, we really early on wanted to raise those up as high as possible because we knew that lessened all of our other costs. So that's about it.